Jack Fox, the punter, will also be the kickoff man. He kicks it off for the Lions, and we are underway. Jamal Agnew's going to field it at the goal line on the near side and bring it out of here to the 15-yard line, out past the 20. He is tackled near the 21, and that is where Jacksonville will start. You know the story by now. We talked about it earlier. Philadelphia plays host to the Tennessee Titans. If the Titans lose and the Jags win, one's 7-5, one's 5-7. 2 games separate the two teams, and they play 2 more times in this season. Running play, Etienne again, tries the left side, all kind of room, 30, 35-yard line, lowers his shoulder, that's the first down. The ball came out. At the end of the run, the ball came out. Let's see who jumped on top of this thing.
Lions have the football.
It was a 13-yard gain, but the ball popped out. Alex Anzalone makes the recovery, and just like that, the Lions get a takeaway in Jaguar territory. Williams, inside handoff, touchdown. A 1-yard touchdown run by Jamal Williams, and the Lions strike first at Ford Field. Dropping the throw is Goff. Looking, fires deep downfield along the right sideline, and that ball is caught somehow by DJ Chark. Play fake, Goff looks, fires to the left corner of the end zone. That ball's going to be caught for the touchdown. Amunra St. Brown beats Tyson Campbell. It's a 10-yard touchdown pass for the Lions.
The Lions have dominated time of possession of the ball, and the Jaguars are just looking for a series of plays to just kind of get them going. Let's see if they can go back to the playbook, see if they can find the things that work well for Trevor, because Trevor looks like he's going to have to carry us on this one.
"20 seconds now to play in the half. 23-6, Detroit leads Jacksonville. Jags out of timeouts here. Dropping is Trevor, looking. He's hit, he's going to be sacked. They're going to get him back at the 33-yard line.
And Trevor's down. Trevor Lawrence did not get up. He's down.
Yeah, when James Houston came in from behind, he got into the legs of Trevor Lawrence, and Trevor immediately grabs his left knee, and he is hurting.
And it does not look good.
Trevor Lawrence will walk to the sidelines with a bit of a limp after being injured on what is now the final play of the first half. The story of the first half was what happened at the end of the half. Trevor Lawrence went down after being sacked by James Houston. We don't know how severe or if it's severe or not. Pretty clear Beathard's going to be the quarterback to start the half. We have not seen Trevor Lawrence out on the field. CJ is warming up. Remember, the Lions have the ball first. Inside handoff here. This is DeAndre Swift. Got it to the 45-yard line, a 2-yard gain on first down for Swift. And we do see Trevor coming back onto the field, and he's jogging back onto the field. Boy, is that a good, regardless of what happens here, boy, is that a sight for sore eyes. Trevor Lawrence in uniform, jogging back along the end line and jogging back toward the Jaguar sideline. Man, is that good to see. Oh, boy. They're going to snap it quick. They run it with Swift again, spins away, tries to get the edge. Swift angles for the goal line, touchdown. The game has gotten away from him here, 30-6 with 10:35 to play in the third, but it's awfully good news to see 16 back on the field. They'll start from their own 25-yard line, and it is indeed Trevor Lawrence, the quarterback, so he is back on the field. He's able to play after the injury at the end of the half, and boy, is that good news. Dropping, looking, scrambling forward is Trevor. He dives forward. He's going to be down just shy. He didn't slide now. He dove forward to the 44-yard line. And at this juncture, obviously, Doug Peterson's going to go for it. 4th down and a yard from his own 44-yard line. Dropping, looking. Trevor's going to run for it. He'll have it. He's got it to midfield, steps out of bounds around the 45-yard line of the Detroit Lions. Trevor making things happen with his feet here. He got it to the 44, and that's a first down.
I don't see anything
I was gonna
wrong
say, he looked fine.
with Trevor
Right.
on those last 2 runs on this drive. He has looked just totally fine. If not, fantastic.
Play fake. Trevor fires, middle of the field. That ball's going to be caught. That's Christian Kirk. He's got a first down. He got it inside the 25-yard line. They'll mark him at the 24. Kirby Joseph on the tackle, a 21-yard gain. This is the 16th play of the drive. To the left side. That ball's going to be caught. That's a touchdown, Evan Ingram.
Really good drive. That's who we are. Now we got to put a couple more together.
Do what you've been doing all the time. Taking what they give you, going up and down the field, just like we just did there. Just don't try to do too much.
Good job by Trevor. That ball was thrown right on the mark. And Evan Ingram has struggled a little bit today with some drops. He didn't drop this one. Sure hands on this one, gets the ball and easily crosses the goal line. That's just a great location, great accuracy by 16.
They stayed ahead of the sticks all day, Tony. They're behind it now. 2nd and 16 after the 6-yard loss. Goff fires downfield, and just like that, there is a catch by DJ Chark, and that'll be a first down. They weren't behind the sticks for very long. They race out to get it snapped. 1st and goal, play fake. They throw it to the left side of the end zone. St. Brown is uncovered. Another bust. He walks into the end zone, an easy touchdown for the Detroit Lions as they extend the lead with 2:43 to play in the ballgame.
That's 8 drives in this game for the Lions and 8 scoring drives, 4 touchdowns, 4 field goals, and utter dominance by the Lions today.
Nobody has rolled this team all year long. Even the Chiefs, the best team in the league, beat them by 10. And this is a Jaguar team that had not had this happen to them all year long, and it happened after their biggest win of the year.
The problem with this one, you had so much to play for. And they played so well last week, and you felt like they were trending in the right direction, and they just came out and laid an egg.